Okay guys, so this is a quick video that I wanted to do to show you guys how simple it is to use or to add on one of our royalty collection side piece units. So my client here, as you guys can tell at her root area, she is salt and pepper. So we are going to apply the Nikki unit, which is our salt and pepper natural textured unit. Yes, she's colored, you guys, but this is only a demonstration and I wanted you guys to see how we could blend it and how easy it is to install literally within minutes while you're at home. So we have not shampooed her hair. We've done nothing to her hair. She came in with her hair just like this. And all I did was simply put a part on the side and then I combed out just a little piece of hair just in case I decided that I wanted to cover over the closure on the side piece unit, which is also an option for you. Now, I wanted you guys to see she hasn't been molded. This is just her I woke up with it hair. And now we have our Nikki side piece unit. And we are going to start by applying the unit right at the part of her head, which is where I created that part there. So it comes with 3 snaps on the part side of the actual unit. And you'll start with the snap that is right under the closure piece. These are snaps that just snap in place. So you'll put the comb in and snap it down. That locks it in. And now went to the second one and then to the third one. Now the third one apparently wanted to give me a ton of trouble. But as I said, this is a demonstration. But of course, the one that you do at home would not give you any trouble. It just wanted to give me trouble because it knew that I was filming. Now you snap the one in the back first after you snap the sides, and then you'll go ahead and snap that last snap right in the front. If you guys notice, I was able to stretch it to the front of her head because the actual unit is stretchable to however big or small your head may be in regards to your crown and your side. So you get to determine how far down you want it or how far up you want it to a certain extent when I say up. Now, this collection releases on January 15th for pre-sale. So please, 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 you guys, mark your calendars. The pre-sale begins on the 15th of January, and we launch officially on February 1st. Comment down below. Tell me what you guys think. Tell me if this is a unit that you guys really enjoyed, and then I'll see you guys in the next video.